Sidemen, known for their funny content and insane editing. Just look at this, it's crazy. So I figured in today's video, we will recreate this effect. This is used in a ton of their videos. So I just go into Adobe After Effects and then just choose a little snippet of what I want to create this effect on. I'm just going to be using KSI because it's pretty relevant. So then you can just drag your clip on top of your timeline. And we're actually going to be playing around with a little tool that is called the Roto Brush. And the Roto Brush is pretty simple to use. You just simply press and then just draw on top of your character. And this will create a mask. And if you're not happy with your mask and you want to take away some parts, then you just press Alt and then you press. So as you guys can see now, I'm just removing by pressing Alt and then pressing, which will give this brush that removes. And then to add, I just press on the normal. It's pretty simple and easy. But basically, I'm just skipping through the frames here because this will automatically track him. So just go through the frames and make sure that it fits on every frame. As you guys can see now, I'm just adjusting the feed a tiny tad. And once you're happy with that, you can just press on the freeze button and then that will start to render out. Now it's going to be the fun stuff. As you guys can see, we have one transparent layer. You just want to duplicate this so you have two layers, but the one beneath, you need to delete the roto brush layer. So you have one transparent and one just normal. Then add the fill layer on top, and as you guys can see, it's now red, but we're going to be choosing a black color stick now because this is the most important part. Then you want to add the bevel alpha, and this effect just basically makes it 3D. And I'm just playing around with the settings, but I'm gonna have it at around 11. Then we need some glow. That is super important. Just go and search for the glow. Then just drag that on top of your transparent layer, as you guys can see now, and then choose the color A and color B to white. And just like that. And then I'm going to be playing around with the threshold, which is basically, like the intensity. But then also play around with the radius because this will be, where it will hit, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, and then the glow intensity, we want it to be sort of like stroke, which I think it looks like right now. So I think I'm gonna be happy with that. But this is a secret effect, what I'm gonna do now. Add an adjustment layer, and I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can get that vibrant look on the edges. That blurred kind of look, So then you just want to add the VR chromatic aberration, right? Just look at that. That looks beautiful. And then press off the fallout invert if you only want it on the edges. And then I'm pressing the fallout distance to about 10. Yeah, I think that looks pretty nice. And then you can see you have this, this color look, which they use often. It can really intensify the colors and just make it look like an intro. If you like this video, you need to subscribe because I'm trying to hit 10,000 subscribers this year. So subscribe and also check out my exclusive community. The link is in the description. If you want any courses, it's all on the website. So have a great day and I will catch you in the next video, and also join my Discord. Peace.